Hey kids, how's it going? Been a while, huh? Yeah, thought I'd show you what I'm up to. I've gutted a cat. Just don't tell PETA, because they don't like it when people are mean to cats. Caterpillars. Yeah. Doing a little beautification. Let's see, been digging a little bit of crud out of there. Can't really tell by the camera, but how much. Coming to the other side, quite a mountain out of this side. So I didn't have to take these bolsters or whatever you call them out, but it's starting to rust around here. And I could have just left that on, sandblasted up to that point, painted it, and for years nobody would have noticed anything. But the problem with doing that is after a while, this rust in between these two surfaces, here and here, as it builds, it expands and creates so much tension that it would actually, I'm not sure metric size, what size bolt this is, but there's enough force in that rust that it can actually snap those bolts. Haven't had it happen to one of these, but I've seen it happen in plenty of other things. So we're doing a little preventative application here. So I'm not a big fan of powder coat, and this is why, because once you get rust through that surface, it just infiltrates underneath. A year ago, this machine looked pretty nice still, but once you get up close to it and you see all the little blisters and you start poking at the blisters, and it starts to come apart. So anyway, so we're gonna see if we can't make this thing pretty again. The primary reason was I was changing the drive sprockets and changing over the rear idler or rear roller. I don't know what you call it. What do you call it, Jeremy? Had the single flange. This is the one that I had. The track was wanting to walk off from it, so we're putting the triple flange roller on the rear, and then just gonna pretty it up a little bit. So digging the mud out of it, straighten up a few little odds and ends, put the paint on it. You can see the sprockets were pretty well smoked out. So anyway, hoping to make a viable machine out of it again. All right, kids. Appreciate you being here. All right, blessings all. Thanks.